In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tap card to your Apple Wallet. This simple process will streamline your access to Los Angeles public transit, making it more convenient for you to hop on and off buses or trains with just a tap of your iPhone. Now let's get started. First, you'll need to locate and open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. This app is where you store your credit cards, debit cards, boarding passes, and now transit cards. Within the Wallet app, look to the top right corner of your screen and you should see a small plus button. Go ahead and tap that button. Next, among the options that appear, you'll want to select Transit Card. This option allows you to add a card specifically designed for public transportation systems. Once you tap on Transit Card, scroll through the list of available cards. You're looking for the TAP, Los Angeles option. Go ahead and tap on it once you find it. Now before finalizing the addition of your tap card, you have the option to add funds. This step is not mandatory, but it can be quite convenient. If you choose to add funds during the setup, you can load money or even specific passes directly onto the card, preparing you for immediate use. Once you've decided whether or not to add funds, you will need to confirm your choice. Apple will prompt you to use either Face ID or your passcode to authenticate this addition to your wallet. This step is crucial for ensuring the security of your transit card and any potential funds you put on it. After you've successfully authenticated, your new tap card will be added to your Apple Wallet. It's now ready to be used and you can simply tap your iPhone at any tap reader located at Los Angeles metro stations or on buses. Just hold your iPhone near the tap reader and you'll be good to go. That wraps up the entire process. Adding a tap card to your Apple Wallet is a quick and efficient way to enhance your daily commute. It ensures that you're always ready to jump on whatever form of transportation fits your schedule, plus with everything stored digitally, it's one less card to carry around. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Enjoy your travels.